Hi, Antonio. So what you see here is the final IPv6 topology that we were working on. Initially, the topology I made was simple, so I thought to one subnet the office, an office environment into head office and multiple site, and two to segregate the IPv6 scheme for efficient usage and immediate identification, by even checking the IP addresses. So here's the topology. There is a head office, which is connected to three sites via these links. These are OpenWRT routers. Okay, these all four are OpenWRT routers. These are Ethernet switches. These are directly connected to the head office. So there's a staff section where managers are connected. Then there's a server section in head office where the web server is connected. We can see that this one is online since the blue icon, green icon, and this site is site one, a subsite of this head office, and there's a section of managers where one client PC is online, as we can see with this green button. Now the idea is this is the base IPv6 net ID which we have subnetted into 112 bits. The original address is 128 bits. Every IPv6 address is 128 bits. We've brought some sort of efficiency into this. How we subnetted this, I'll share it in the document. So, for the record and understanding. Now what we want to do is we want to see that whether this client, now this is a web server, and this person needs to access this website, and it has to go through all these switches and routers, and it should be able to via IPv6 only. So first we check the configuration of the web server. Okay. Okay. Now, I hope you can see this screen. This is the web server, or these are all Ubuntu machines, so they all have the same username and password and hostname, and they don't change it. So this is the server is this is a test site. It's opening from localhost just to check whether the Apache is working. The server has the IP address given here. It's from 1202 subnet. This one 1202, and this is the limit of the net ID versus the host ID. So up until 120 is the network ID, and this is the host ID. I'll give details in the document. Okay, so this one is working. It's Apache is listening on port 80 on IPv6. Fine. This is the IP address 1202. Okay, we'll also run this command if so whenever something comes, any communication, it will notify us. So, and now we open this console. And right here, we log into it. Okay, and let me give you the environment first. This machine has the IP address 120F colon 5. So these are two different subnets. Since these PCs are not allowing me to change the host names, I downloaded it from the net. I am using local name resolution. If I ping a word server, it connects it. Oh, sorry, web server. It pings the same 1202. See, our address is 120F. The web server's address is 1202. Okay. If I'm on the manager workstation on site one. If I give web server in the browser, it opens me the web page. If I give www.demo.ph, it'll still give me this web page. I've made this mapping. So if I ping www.demo.ph, see it's the same, 1202, which is the web server. So that was the basic idea. Let me close this. So I mean, here. So this is the IP scheme. This is the whole network, and somebody just for the sake of example, log into this PC and access web from this one. This is the server that is doing the port forwarding, head office. It is doing the port forwarding. I mean, I'll turn this on and configure this one. So this we also be able to connect and use resources on the segment. So this is what I wanted to present to you. I'll send you this topology and the document. If there are any questions, comments, I mean, you let me know, right? Thank you. Take care.